Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford F-150, that generation here 2015, 16, 17. If you need to find where the fuse for the steering column control module is located, which fuse controls the steering column, where it's located, where to buy cheap fuses from, why it's important to test fuses and realize that way don't waste time and money. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car that we'll get here at the garage, we'll try to make every single fuse video and show you where it's located. Why we do that? Because if you're in the middle of the road, guys, in the middle of nowhere, and you need to find that fuse specifically, it will take you a shorter amount of time to just search for that video instead of looking for the manual in your glove box. And most of the times, people lose their manuals. And if you don't know which fuse, let's say, to replace for ignition coils, fuel injectors, fuel pump, you may be just stuck in the middle of nowhere. So that's why we are making all these videos, guys. We're constantly working here at the garage. We're taking things apart, as you can see. And if you want to check out, guys, we have 3 channels that altogether have more than 1.1 million subscribers. Okay, we have all the mechanical work there. This channel that you're watching right now, we're going to list, the fuse videos here, so we can save you guys time, money, and we can make it conveniently for you guys. So let's start on it now. Specifically, we'll demonstrate here, guys, on a 2016 Ford F-150 that we have here, guys. But even if you have a different year, that generation video may be helpful. You have 2 fuse boxes in your truck. One is under the hood, and if you open it, it will look like that. You have a Ford specific fuses. Realize that could be really hard to find, expensive, overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy some fuses and realize at a good price and quick shipping. Check it out for your convenience. Then we need to go in the passenger compartment in the footwell, guys, right there. And by that kick panel, if you remove the plastic right here, you're going to open a fuse box that looks just like this one. Now, before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and realize that way you don't waste your time and money. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So the fuse for the steering column control module, guys, is now you will see that you have the small normal micro blade fuses right here, but then you have those double fuses. You probably never seen anything like that until now. I don't blame you guys. I was shocked the first time I saw them too. Actually that's 2 fuses in one. For 2 different things. So the steering column control module fuse is number 13, guys. That's the right side of that fuse right here. That's number 13. So that fuse, 7.5 amp fuse, will need to be replaced if yours is burnt. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.